Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to cut felt using the Sizzix die cutting machine, and the one I have here is the Sizzix Big Kick. It's the same as the Big Shot, it's just a different color. So when you get your machine, it's going to come with these cutting pads like these and a multi-purpose platform like this one. And you'll have to purchase your dies separately. You can purchase whatever shapes you like. And the two most common dies are the steel wool dies, like this one here, and the wafer thin dies, like this one. I really like using these steel wool dies because you can actually cut 4 layers of felt at a time, which is very useful if you're going to be making a lot of felt flowers. Versus this one, you can only do 1 layer at a time. A tip with the steel wool dies is when you first get it, it's going to look like this. And you can see it's very hard to see the shapes. So what you want to do is you can put masking tape or painter's tape on it and put it in strips like this. Then you run it through the machine and just peel off the outer layer. Then you'll be able to see your shapes a lot more clearer, and this will help with placing your felt on the die so that you don't cut the shape off. So I'll show you how to cut with the steel wool die first. And you will not be needing this, so I'll just put it down here. And you need to make a sandwich with your cutting pads, the die, and your felt. So first, we'll put one cutting pad down, then we'll put your die, and then I have my felt cut up here. So I'm going to be cutting this shape here. And I like to put it one at a time to make sure nothing shifts so I don't cut the shape off and waste my felt. And I'm using wool blend felt that you can find at our shop at canadianfeltshop.com. So after you put your felt, you'll have to put your cutting plate on top. So this is the sandwich, the cutting plate at the bottom, the die, your felt, and then another cutting plate. And then you'll run it through the machine like so, and you'll turn the handle like this, and the machine creates tension between the die and the felt, and there you go. Here I have my die cuts, 4 of them. And this is completely normal. You can see that it cut into the plate. So when it creates tension, the steel wool actually cuts into the plate. This is normal, and you want to rotate your plates so that it cuts on different parts of your plate each time, and this helps prolong the life of your plates. I have a pair of plates here that have been really well used. As you can see, they've been cut into many times, and they're actually at the end of their life. You can see a big crack here. I use it until it has a big crack, but you can replace them before that. It will last a very long time. With typical use, they do last for more than a year. I'll show you again with another steel wool die. So here's another one, and this one is the Sizzix Tattered Evergreen, and I forgot to show you the other one. It's the Sizzix Flowers 3D. So again, I'm going to be putting this plate at the bottom this time, then your die, and then your felt. So I'll do this shape here. So 4 layers, and then the cutting plate on top. Then we'll run it again, and you'll hear some cracking. That's fine. You can see here, it cut into the plate. And then there's your 4 layers. So now I'll show you how to cut with the wafer thin dies. Because these are so thin, you're going to need your multi-purpose platform. So we'll put that down first. Then your cutting plate. And then your felt. And then the die. And then your cutting plate on top. And then we'll run it through one more time. And the reason you need the platform is because you need to create that tension so that the die cuts through your material. And there you go. This is the die you get, the die cut. And you can see here, this method is very fast and efficient, and you get clean cuts each time. So I will be doing another tutorial showing you how to roll these types of felt flowers in another video. Here are some examples of other steel roll dies you can get, and they don't have to be Sizzix. You can get other brands as well. This one is from Spellbinders, and they also make steel roll dies. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook at Canadian Felt Shop. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.